Let's see now what is the rate of chemical reaction. Rate of a reaction may be defined as the change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time. In more specific, rate reaction may be defined as it is the amount of decrease in concentration of any one of the reactants in unit time, or it is the amount of increase in concentration of any one of the products in unit time. I think you didn't understand this one. Let's see this one through an experiment. See this reaction, decomposition of N2O5 into NO2 and O2 gases. What? Decomposition of N2O5 gas into NO2 and O2 gases. Let's see an experiment of this. See, take this some amount of N2O5 in this flask. From this opening, fill some amount of N2O5 and pack it. It is here some amount of N2O5 is there. When the reaction starts, that is N2O5 will start decomposing in presence of CCl4 into NO2 and O2 gases. These NO2 and O2 gases will start escaping through this pipe. You may collect those NO2 and O2 gases in some flask. See what happening now? N2O5 is converting into NO2 and O2 gases. So amount of N2O5 will be decreasing and amount of NO2 and O2 will be increasing, because it is converting into N2O5 is converting into NO2 and O2 gases. So what happening? Concentration of reactant N2O5 is decreasing, and that of concentration of products NO2 and O2 is increasing. In general, for every reaction, concentration of reactant will be decreasing as time goes, as reaction goes. Concentration of product will be increasing as time goes or as reaction goes. Let's see, try to draw a graph of concentration of reactants versus time. See, this is the graph. See, this is concentration of reactant axis and this is time axis. See in this graph, as time goes, that is as reaction goes, this is concentration of reactant axis. See, concentration of reactant goes on decreases. So what is this? As time goes, concentration of reactants goes on decreases. See, for product, this is concentration of product axis and this is time axis. As time goes, concentration of products goes on increases. As time goes, concentration of product goes on increases. Now see, what is the rate of reaction is? Rate of reaction is change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time. See, for reactant, concentration is decreasing. This decrease in concentration of the reactant in unit time is called rate of reaction, or you may consider increase in concentration of this product in unit time is also called rate of reaction. Both are equal. That decrease in concentration of reactant in unit time, that is also rate of the reaction, that is also equal to increase in concentration of the product in unit time. In general, in combining these two, how we can define rate of a chemical reaction is change in concentration. Change is for reactant, change is concentration is will be decreasing. For product, concentration will be increasing. So see the definition here. So we can define rate of reaction defined as change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time. For reactant, concentration will be decreasing. That's only the change. Change means decrease or increase. change in concentration of reactants for product, concentration will be increasing. So in general, how we can define a rate of reaction will be defined as change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time. In more specific, rate of reaction may be defined as it is the amount of decrease in concentration of any one reactant you can take, any one of the reactant in unit time, or it is the amount of increase in concentration of any one of the product in unit time. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video and spread worldwide to help others.